Hi, my name is Rex, and we put together a new tutorial video for you to show you how to get the best out of your jailbroken Fire Sticks, including unlimited movies, TV shows, and live TV. So let's jump in. The first thing I want to show you is the Kodi app. This is the best app for live TV, movies, and TV shows. This is your one-stop shop for just about everything you need for your entertainment. So let's open the app. Go ahead and make your way to the home screen by pressing the home button on your Fire Stick remote. Once you're there, look for this icon with 3 squares and a plus. You can see it's highlighted with this red arrow pointing at it. Go ahead and navigate to that and click on it. Once you have done that, it will bring you to a screen that shows all of your apps and channels. In this list of different apps, search for this icon. Once you see this icon, go ahead and click it, and it will look something like this. Now inside this list, look for the Kodi app. Now, we installed a build on our Kodi app called Red Wizard. So search for here in this list and it says Red Wizard and click on it. When you open it up, you're going to want to let it load for about 30 seconds. If you don't do that, then the app might abruptly close on you, so just open the app and give it about 30 seconds to load all those updates before you use it. Once it's complete, you'll see at the top that says something like, packages are cleared. Once it says that, as you can see in a second, then you know it's okay to use it. Oh, there it is. So it's doing those updates. Once those updates are done, then we can use the app. It takes about 30 seconds. Once that is done, you can go ahead and scroll over to the section that is called IPTV. This is where you get all of your live TV. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol TV, just Internet TV essentially. Once we do that, hit down on your remote once we got to this section and click on this EPG option. EPG stands for Electronic Programming Guide, essentially your guide. As you can see, there are tons of channels. If I just scroll down here, there are hundreds and hundreds of channels. All of these channels in great high quality. If you don't believe me, let's try a few out. Let's go up to USA Sports. Let's say I'd like to watch ESPN. I'll scroll down, click on ESPN. And then it shows up like this. I'm going to hit switch the channel to ESPN. And there we go.
It's time we listen to science.
Looks like they're on a commercial break at the moment.
Support whole body health.
Also, something cool about the Kodi app is if you pause your channel, it caches the rest of the channel, meaning that you can hit play and pick up where you left off, or you can fast forward and rewind where you started. Pretty cool. Let's try another channel.
East Texas.
And there you go.
Warm summer night. A woman, Mary, stands on a porch. In the distance, we hear a lonesome train.
The cool thing about Kodi is you have all of these channels with a programming guide, all for free. Amazing, isn't it? The next thing I'd like to show you guys is how to watch movies and TV shows. What is Real Debris? It's a service that plugs in with Kodi that allows you to get high quality movies and TV shows. Essentially, it's about somewhere around less than $3 a month, but it allows you to get the highest quality, the fastest servers that have all your movies and TV shows. Now, with Kodi, you can also watch movies and TV shows for free, but sometimes it might not have exactly what you want or the quality that you want. So in order to solve that problem, we highly recommend getting Real Debris. And I'll show you real quick how you can do that. Go to realdebris.com. Go ahead and hit sign up, create a username and password. And then they take all major credit cards. So once you have your Real Debris account set up, come here in Kodi, come over to Account Manager and select that. Now in the Real Debris option, hit Authorize, and then it asks you to go to this URL and enter that code. Go to real-debris.com/device. And type in the code that you are prompted on your screen. Now that I entered that code, you're going to see that message that says the authorization has been successful, and it's syncing everything up. Awesome. Now that we have that done, let me go ahead and show you how to find movies and TV shows. Scroll over to the movies or TV show section. Either works. Come all the way here to the bottom right where it says POV and select it. Now you see it has different categories for movies, TV shows, or a search function. So let's try a movie. It has different categories for trending, trending recent, other things like popular, latest releases, box office, etc. So let's go ahead and select the popular category. And looks like this movie just came out the other day. Let's go ahead and select it. And what it's doing is with Real Debris enabled, it's finding all of those high quality streams. And you can see how all the streams that showed up are all 4K, which is exactly what I want. I want the highest quality possible. So then it doesn't matter which one you select. So let's go ahead and select one of these 4K streams. And there you go. The movie plays in high quality. And what's cool is with Kodi, you can also do things like enabling subtitles or selecting different chapters. If you press up on your remote, the up button, it'll skip you to a different chapter. Pretty nifty.
They send me a job, I clock in, clock out, you know.
Let's go ahead and try another movie. Here, let's try this kids movie. As you can see, it has all these high quality sources. And there you go. The movie begins. The nice thing with Kodi is it looks like you are subscribing to some sort of service. Look how nice this looks. It has a little synopsis of the movie, the logo. It's awesome. So let's go ahead and find a TV show to watch. So I've come back here all the way up. I can search for TV shows. Instead of movies, I'm going to select TV shows. I can search for popular ones. Say I wanted to watch this TV show. I'll select a season. Select an episode. It'll find the best, highest quality stream. And then I can select it to watch it.
Previously on Prison Break.
Zona's a one-way street. What goes in?
And once again, if you don't want the subtitles turned on, you can always
They left us here to rot.
open up the menu, click on this icon,
I thought we worked together, you know.
turn
help
off the
each other out.
subtitles.
You're on your own.
Let me out of this! You wanna know where she is? Find a way to get me out of there!
Let it go. Let it go.
We can assist you should you ever decide, say,
And there you have it. That's pretty much how you can do everything on Kodi. Now, one more thing I will show you is how to get movies and TV shows for free. This is if you don't want to subscribe to Real Debris. Once again, I highly recommend Real Debris because it allows you to get the highest quality, the fastest servers. You won't have any buffering with your movies or TV shows. And I'll be honest, I tried using Kodi without Real Debris, and it's usable, but not the best. And in fact, it made me want to pay the extra $2 or $3 a month, whatever it is. It's a very minimal amount to get the highest quality and the best streams. If you scroll over here, and go to this non-debris section, you can select this add-on called Free 99. You can browse movies, browse TV shows. Let's see what's trending today. So here's that same movie that we watched earlier with Real Debris. I'll select it, and it's searching for streams. And it looks like it found some. You can see how it also takes a little bit longer. As you can see, all the links that it found are standard definitions, which is not high definition or 4K. So you do get slightly lower quality, and it might buffer. So if I select one of these sources, it should play. There's a chance that it doesn't. And then you might have to select a different source. It looks like this movie is playing. So it's about the same in terms of functionality, but you can see the quality is slightly worse. To me, I'm a big movie and TV show guy, so I would rather pay that extra, very minimal fee for higher quality. If you think about it, you're getting all the live TV, all your movies and TV shows for something around $25 a year. That's awesome. So let's go ahead and stop this. Now with Kodi, there are tons of other categories, such as sports, There's all these different plugins that you can explore on your own. There are so many different add-ons that it would take way too long to show you, but in this case, I selected on a sport add-on. And it'll show you potentially live sports. You can see it has, TV channels for sport channels, and that's cool. And they may or may not work. Some of them do work. Let's try this. So one thing right now is Wimbledon is happening. So let's see if we can find a Wimbledon game. Let's click on this. It's the press conference. Yeah, so it didn't work. So sometimes they do work, sometimes they don't work. Let's click on this one. And there you go. This does have a workable stream that's probably streaming something with Wimbledon. One more app that we like to use is called the Cinema app. Now, essentially, it's very similar to Kodi without the live TV. And it has somewhat of a cleaner interface, so some people prefer this, and it's entirely up to you. Upon opening it, there's going to be a disclaimer. You can go ahead and accept that, a change log, and the interface looks like this. You can come up here and change the categories from TV shows to movies. You can change here the kind of category, what's popular, what's top rated, etc. Let's go ahead and change it to movies. Let's change it to what's top rated. So say I want to watch The Godfather. I can go ahead and click it, and it loads some streams up. And I can go ahead and click on a stream and hit play. And it plays. Very cool. I'm going to exit this movie. The nice thing about Cinema is it also has support for real debris. The movie I just played right there did not have it was not a real debris movie, and that works. And you don't need real debris. However, we recommend it once again. So if I come up here to settings, then go down here to account. I can hit login to real debris. And I can enter this code. Then real debris is enabled. So now when you search for a movie or a TV show, you will have all premium servers and high quality movies and TV shows. So here, let's search for The Godfather one more time. One thing about real debris is that all the real debris streams will show up with this extra highlighted text. So you can know that the higher quality streams are going to be the ones that are highlighted.